are doing?
We are doing everything.
Okay. I want you guys to join me to cook African okra. So I'm cooking the beef, just assorted beef. I'm about to do the okra. I just decide, like, I want to share with you what I'm going to be eating during this long holiday. So this quarantine period, so I would like to be bringing you guys to my kitchen to show you guys what I'm doing, like more or less like my vlog, daily vlog, just a short clip. So I'm cooking okra today, Nigeria okra. Kiss here, and so this is
not spoon. You did. I had a little spoon on the go. Yeah.
Yeah, Mark is making curry, and I'm making Nigeria okra. So you can also do this as well. So two chefs in the kitchen. Mark is here. You can see the back.
Too many chefs in the kitchen.
So Mark is trying to make tea. He loves tea. My partner loves tea. That is Mark.
Don't throw up my cabbage because I'm going to cook that tomorrow. It's still okay. The outside is soft, but it's okay on the inside. I'll have that with the bacon tomorrow.
That is the case. Hester not drawing, and you know what? Okay, that one Mark. She's on his phone. The okra. Yeah, so yeah guys, I have to wash my spinach to get rid of the dirty. So you might do without the spinach. I just like having a little bit of vegetable with my draw soup, stroke okra soup. So I just like that. You might do without, guys, so it's optional. Depends what you like. So guys, it's for my channel, guys. Yeah. So guys, you have to remove this, and then I'm going to check. I have prawns, I have different meats there, including chicken leg and everything. So I'm going to add my ogbono now. Sorry guys, I'm using one hand to record, and I'm using one hand to pour this. So this is how you can cook your ogbono, just straightforward, and it's so easy. Hi ma'am.
I need to get something for you.
Oh, okay.
I'm checking the kitchen.
Oh, all right, love. Take your time now.
Okay.
So guys,
Bye now.
bye honey. Oh, there's the spinach there, guys. My torso. So very simple. It's not something that will take you within 40 to 30 minutes to make your okra soup. So I'm going to be adding my you can use no cube, but I like this Maggi brand. I'm going to be putting this brand. I like it. So you can use no chicken. Some people use no chicken, some people using Maggi. For a moment, I like Maggi brands. So I'm going to be putting that. And don't forget your salt, your table salt. the last thing you want to put is your spinach, because the spinach is already parboiled. So we just leave it for another 2 minutes and we switch it. I've already brought the cooker to warm to 1. So you put it to low temperature at this point. So you don't need high heat. So guys, that is it. Dining with Bekkyshow, guys. So this is how I make my own ogbono okra stew. It's very simple, very lovely. No too much ingredients, straightforward okra soup for Saturday evening. Thanks for Esther. This is Esther food, guys. My baby. Thanks for the baby gift food.
That's my favorite food, Mom.
Yeah. Africa ever. And this is mine, guys.
Mom,
I'm going to be eating mine here. I'm going to put my stew here. That's mine. Okay, guys. It's not going to be easy to be using one hand to serve. So that's for Samuel. That's for my son. Yeah, guy, African food. So guys, we are having our dinner. So the kids decide to have Nigerian Okra. Esther, you enjoy it?
it really tastes good. Now, Mommy, can I have
More drink. So,
more of this if I want more?
so I think it's Esther's. Please guys, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Keep subscribe, thumb up, check like, and that's it.